Today we are unboxing the Accutron Spaceview Evolution 28A211. First, we see the Accutron presentation box, with the warranty card, which comes with a 5-year worldwide warranty. And here it is. The dial immediately stands out. You can see gold-colored flakes in the dial, creating a beautiful contrast with the black background. Together, this gives the watch a very luxurious appearance. Inside the watch is the Accutron NS30 electrostatic movement. This innovative movement is powered by twin turbines that generate energy through the motion of your wrist. The case diameter is 43.5 millimeters. The thickness measures 15.9 millimeters. The case is made of black ion-plated stainless steel. On top sits a sapphire crystal glass. The watch comes on a black suede strap, which adds a soft and refined touch. And finally, on the wrist, it has a mysterious and slightly eccentric design. Combined with its complex movement, this is truly a conversation piece.
Hi guys, thank you for watching. If you would like to purchase this watch, use the link down below. Also, don't forget your 20K code for your 10% off.